Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see tables here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Salesforce, tables are referred to as objects. Now, objects are data structures that store records and fields, similar to tables in a relational database. Now, there are two main types of objects or tables in Salesforce. Number one is the standard objects. Number two is the custom objects. For you to be able to see tables or objects and their fields, you have few options. Number one is once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher and click on sales. All right. Now here, all you have to do is hover to the tables tab, and that's going to be located on the right side corner of your dashboard, depending on how you set up your account. Click on Salesforce tables. Now here, viewing and exporting data from objects allows you to create backups or extract data for storage outside of Salesforce. All right. You can create meaningful reports, or if you want to know the objects and fields where your data resides. This helps in selecting the correct data points for analysis. Now, when creating a report here, you see, understanding the underlying objects and their relationships is crucial for configuring reports that combines data from multiple objects. All right. Whether you're an admin, developer, analyst, or end user, knowing how data is structured in Salesforce allows you to use the platform more effectively and align it with your needs. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.